Someone please tell me, did I grow spring onions or garlic? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another garden update video. So you guys, I said, you know what? I think it's time to pull up the garlic, and look what happened. Spring onions. Well, at least it smelled like garlic, but it clearly wasn't ready, and clearly I did something wrong. So look at that. Like, I don't know what to do with that. Like, it looked like it was dying out. I thought when it started to brown, you pluck them up. Listen, and I dug all in the soil and it was nothing there, and that one had roots on it. So okay, I'm not going to give up on my garlic though. I will grow some more. Also, you guys, when I was digging, I did find another potato and it was mushy, so I know it wasn't no good and I threw it out. But moving on to the mint. Now, this container is a glass container that I had got from Aldi's that the mint is in, and it's broken all up. So that's what you see, these little glass shards and stuff. So never again. Now I'm showing y'all the kale, and the kale did make a comeback. So hopefully I get to harvest it. So yeah. If you made it this far in the video, hit that subscribe button and the like button. It's free to you. It's free to support. So go ahead and hype up this video too. Thank you. Alright guys, so let's get back to this small garden tour. And I'm just showing you the rest of the garden prior to me sowing the new seeds and adding the soil and stuff. So, but yeah. Alright guys, moving on to the rosemary update. You know, I'm so excited about this rosemary. Now, I must say, the rosemary that I tried to propagate in the soil, it don't look like it's going to survive. I mean, it might look okay now, but I don't know. It's not looking really good. But at least I did have success with the rosemary from seed. The only thing is, on the seed packet, it didn't tell me how long it's going to take for the seed to mature. So, But yeah, but anyway, that is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please once again subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up and hype the video up. It's free for you, and have a good day. Bye.